I'm gonna show you how you can send a text message with effects. So let's tap on right here, and we're gonna go to the emoji keyboard, and once we're there, we're gonna select an emoji. In this case, I'm gonna pick this one with the sunglasses, and then I'm gonna hold and press right here on the arrow, and then you'll see this menu right here, and it's very simple. Like, you get like different effects. So this is slam, loud, gentle, and invisible ink, which I don't like at all. And then, but I love loud. And then I'm gonna move on and tap on screen, and you can add even more effects to your message. You're gonna hold and press and slide to one side. In this case, I'm gonna slide it to this side, and then you're gonna get another effect. This is the spotlight effect, and then you're gonna get balloons effect and also confetti. Then you have the heart and laser, and also fireworks. I'm gonna pick this one, and if you wanna just send the text, you just gotta press the little arrow right here, and in your emoji or your text is gonna be sent, and also it's gonna have some sound. So let's do it. So that's how your text is gonna look even better. It's gonna grab more attention to whoever is getting it. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.